Welcome to this Solid Edge Tips and Tricks video, Command Ribbon Shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts save you time when issuing various draw, edit, and view manipulation commands in Solid Edge. With the fluent ribbon interface in Solid Edge, there are newer and alternative ways to navigate the interface. Let's take a look. Pressing the Alt key the first time presents the shortcut keys for the commands. This allows you to access commands on the ribbon bar, quick access bar, and the Solid Edge application menu. Press the first letter H to access the Home tab on the ribbon. Similarly, press A for the application menu, or simply key in numbers for fast access to frequently used commands on the quick access toolbar. So Alt-1 is a shortcut to save the currently open file, and Alt-4 for opening a file using the keyboard. This is both very easy to remember and to use. Once a tab on the ribbon is activated, the keystrokes for commands hosted on the tab are displayed. For example, now pressing AB starts the angle between command. Keyboard shortcuts also appear in front of the commands. For example, Ctrl-O for open. For commands that do not have a keyboard shortcut, you can assign one easily. Let's take a look. To assign a shortcut, Shift-A, to the angle between command, click the Customize button on the Quick Access toolbar and select Customize from the menu. In the Customize dialog, navigate to the Angle Between command in the tree and pick the Shift modifier for the keyboard shortcut. Type A in the key field and specify that you want to use this keyboard shortcut in all environments. Click Close and save changes to the theme. The keyboard shortcut now appears in the tooltip for the button. Pressing Shift-A now starts the Angle Between command. Thus, commands from the ribbon, Quick Access bar, and the application menu can be accessed using keyboard shortcuts, speeding up your modeling and drawing process.